Steady, steady wiggle.
Me no hungry now.
Yo, I coulda won now. I coulda won now, guys. Vlogmas is over, but that don't mean we not gonna drop vlogs. We still gonna drop them. But
say.
Bumbleclot vlog. Anyways, guys, we're going on the road to go to Falmouth because we have to pick up some signs. That's what we're about to do. Someone sent me a cake.
Yo.
Someone sent me a cake. I forgot to get her name. Let me get her name real quick. Actually, when I pick up the cake and all that, I'll shout out her name and all that stuff. Sent me a cake for Christmas. I'm just about to go pick it up. She's in the Knutsford. And
Knutsford, you go.
Yeah, isn't that where?
They have to send you have to smudge them.
Yeah, she gave me the name and all that ting ding ding.
You have to go pay $92, $100. $900.
And then we gotta pick up some little stuff, some knickknacks for Nyla. And your mom said she wanted a mop. Mom said she wanted a mop. Did she tell you?
What kind of mop?
Why'd you want the window?
What kind of mop?
You always get sick.
You want mop for Jamaica or what?
A mop to mop the house. Taco.
Oh, think I want a mop like.
Why?
What's that?
You want
she let her cry?
Yeah, she did that.
How much trouble your mama?
Look at this pretty brownin. 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 Kelly, you're home today? Yeah, so that's Kelly. I'll show you guys Kelly when I come back. That's one of my one of my good friends from down here. That's like one girl I can actually say like we met down here and we keep the link. But she literally, as I go over, she'll like through my whole pregnancy, she was asking me stuff, asking me if I'm good and stuff like that.
So yeah, beat it up.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'll go and follow my and come back. Yeah man. Yeah man, I'll go and come back on. Alright.
Yeah. They're having a little fun day over here. So I'm gonna come back and catch this and see what's going on later. But I guess this is like their Christmas fun back. Christmas gift back.
I know.
So as I was saying, I'll show you guys Kelly when I come back. She's like one of my, I can consider her.
You know, say that now go work, so nobody.
I'll show you guys Kelly when I come back. She's one of my good friends I can actually say that I have down here. Cause like we met last year. We were both pregnant around the same time, but I think I was a couple of weeks ahead of her. So our babies are not too far off. But even when I left and when I left, she still linked me a lot actually.
Oh shit! You know, 7 I guess.
Really? Yeah. So you know the link is still there. That was her little baby that you guys just saw. She's a real one, and her and Ziggy also worked together at the same place.
Nisha.
What? Getting some gas right now.
Yes, me allow the bird Dante them key.
Oh, do you have to go back?
I ain't going back.
You should have made a hot girl ride go bring it.
What? And when me they go, I thought no Kingston or Montego be like, where me that go? Me not going nowhere far.
So yo guys, Polly, Nyla's actually warming up to Polly, which is a good thing. We just left her, you know, so she can get used to them. She's really used to Sasha and Dante, which is his nephew and niece. Yesterday Polly actually took her car coming, but you're good still, going slow. Yesterday Polly went on the road and took her and she didn't cry, so that's a good thing. It's a good thing. So what's planned for today? What's in the agenda? This is the next thing why I was kind of hesitating if I wanted to push out vlogs still every day, because I know some days I'm gonna just be home chilling, but I'm gonna still push out these vlogs for you guys. I don't care. Usually, you know, I'm just like, oh, I'm not doing nothing. Whether I'm doing shit, I'll just combine the vlogs. So the vlogs will be coming out. Today, as I said, there's a fun day as you guys see them setting up there. So I'm probably gonna, I am gonna go down there and support them. I just want to send a special thank you again to you guys, you know, because even though we didn't reach the full goal, we still made enough or reached enough to still put smiles on these little kids' face. And yeah, so I appreciate that. Next year, someone was saying, a lot of people actually reached out to me and was asking me if it was too late to still donate, but you know, I had to turn them down. But next year I will be doing something probably, I'm not sure, but God's will, I can keep it up. This is like the third year, I guess.
Yeah, come on Jamaica next year.
I don't even know. As I said, God. Wait, I forgot next year we're going to UK.
Of course.
I just remembered next year we're actually going to the UK, so I don't know, but if I don't get to do it next year, I mean, I'm always giving back. So I actually wanted to do something in my own country, like my own city, which is Toronto. So maybe next year I'll do something up there for the homeless people. My mom has done it before, downtown Toronto. So maybe I'll do something for the homeless people, because I mean, yes, I can come out here and give back to hubby's country and like partly my country, but I gotta look out for my own city too. Big up my Toronto peeps.
Yeah.
Big up to the new subscribers, yo. Big up to your guys. Shout out your guys' selfie. I wish I can scroll through and just find the new people them right now. So much new people. And big up to this one couple that stumbled across my Portland video with the Villa Rasta. They said they're actually going there in 2 weeks or 3 weeks. And they just randomly stumbled across our video. So big up yourself. I hope you guys enjoy your trip. Big up Jaim, they're cool people. So yeah, big up yourself. It's so funny how people are just randomly stumbling across my videos, but I ain't complaining, you know, I ain't complaining. So Ziggy's here. Oh, and as for that, okay, so the video when Ziggy went out to the fish to catch fish or whatever and cook, it was a big fail, but we're gonna attempt it again. And hopefully we can actually catch some fish.
Yeah, you can like adjust one day when nothing, you know, if you go on, because when we left so we go buy bait. And when we reach at the place we drive past, and when we reach down at the place and go start up, we realize so we don't have no bait. The man go in at the water, he must say he left in GoPro. Like, come on. Then after that, you know, when the boss go start shoot, you know, in rubber bus.
Yeah,
so like,
it come like
bro,
it just
like,
wasn't meant.
You know, but we still try if you make the day go good still, you know.
Yo, and thumbs up these videos, guys. Make sure you guys are liking them. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed, and click that notification bell if you're not. If you didn't already, you know, you guys know what I'm trying to say. Join the newbie fam, join the newbie gang. Big up your guys' self. Yo, for some reason, every time I come in the car, I just get like car sick now.
You want to pull over there?
Yeah.
Anyway,
Something I was about to say and I forgot. I need to go do my hair because this bun life, anytime I have my hair down, it's just too much. It's making me too hot. So now I need to go figure out something about my hair. And this one little curl that just won't even stay up.
Oh, as you in the city, new subscribers, them. Welcome to the humble fam.
Yes.
Yeah, I mean, humble family. We that. Oh, my dog, sir.
I know what's going on. Can't even focus on you. There, look, I brought. You see how the camera's racist?
Black man.
It went on me and just brightened up.
Yeah, I know. But
so,
yeah, man. Welcome to the humble family, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, so I'll tune back in with you guys in a bit. Camera just cut off on me. I guess it's saying I chat too much, but I'll check back in with you guys. Yeah.
Yo, so right now me I tell you that day I go Gucci, cause tell you know what I'm going. Me actually have a surprise for Nisha, you see me? Cause me upgrade her ring, you see me? But she don't know nothing by before we come down. So we come down on the road and now we are go buy up some stuff for the house. But right now I go try get a champagne, probably some little rose or so, and kind of do a little thing. I don't know, you know, but the main thing at the ring, you see me? So me go show you how I go on. You see me? So just there for that video, you call that video, trust me, that video go bad. Not really bad, it's just on a real official video them, you know. Yeah man, so I have a surprise here and I hope, honestly me know she gonna be happy. The ring size probably, I know the right size, but it was only the last one they had and I really love this one. So what I did was I took it and they said I get a lifetime warranty on it. So like if there's any damage to it or anything, you just bring it back, they repair it and they give it back to you. If you want to get like an upgrade ring, you just bring back that one and put the whatever additional to it and you get the other one. So it's like a win-win. It was a good price, and I'ma just see how it goes. But I got like I go show you what I go on, show me can get a good look at it, and then we try to set up all the thing I house so we can surprise her. So stay tuned for that. Yeah, though.
Yo, peeps, we just got to Champion Supermarket. Oh shit. See, I'm here busy focusing on you guys and nearly almost get licked down. Okay, fine. Get the Jamaican one you are.
Blanca. Best fab. From Waminoa.
Whatever. I think you should bring Dettol home when you're going home.
No fab.
Softener? You want to get a softener? No, I think your mom has softener. Do we need ketchup? No. Do we need ketchup? I'm gonna ask you if we need ketchup. See if I see any little snacks. Not fighting for people. So guys, just picking up my package. I'm gonna tag the person's Instagram of who sent me the cake. She does really beautiful cakes. So excited to open this package. I'll open it once I reach down. About to stop at my favorite pit stop. My favorite pit stop. Yo, this place has built up. If you watch my vlogs from way back then, you guys will see how this place has built up. Yeah. So if you guys are ever passing, well, if you land in Mobay and you're going towards, like, what do you call it, Ochi way, or if you're coming from the opposite way, just stop at this place. This place is the ish right here, okay? The ish. Look what pack up. Ziggy, by the time we go get our food, we're getting nothing we are getting.
Go on, go see what they're.
He has like his roast pork, cane, jelly. Well, actually last time I came here he didn't have cane. Aki.
Oh, I see them.
Sorry. Oh yeah, it's the roast. Yeah, man. Guys, I'm so heartbroken. They don't have no aki. They just sold the last bit of aki. My heart broke. Ziggy's fault, you know.
You ain't have money for buy aki. You ain't have no money for buy aki.
That's why I told you to stop at the ATM from up there.
But you don't remind me. You make me just fly
you
through
were gonna go. I'm sorry, bro. Yo, yeah, man. I ever do that to me. Yeah, man. Watch him. Yeah, man.
Yo, stop.
You broke me heart, you know, yeah, man. Oh, God. Watch him. Vex.
Hey, more food. Oh, man. Dirty bigs. Probably.
Inside.
To do what? Keep you noticing them? Oh.
You know, say, I like me the lock of the place, you go in.
Sure.
I like me the lock of the place, now I lock of the shame.
Yo.
Go in the kitchen. You're going in the kitchen?
Now go piss. Okay. Been taking care of Nyla. Put Nyla to sleep with my office. Bangs! Bangs! Hungry belly.
Oh, leave me alone. It's open?
Hungry belly. Hungry belly.
But you're chicken like no?
Hungry.
Oh, okay. Okay.
And that they know the only thing about is just...
What the hell is this?
Surprise. Is that a surprise?
What the hell? What the frig? And we got this reaction.
Look at my thing.
Ziggy! What the? No, how? Pally.
Pally was a surprise. Yeah, no. You look at your shit.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Yo,
Trust me.
So, yo, Ziggy,
This
got
is a
me
surprise.
good.
This is a surprise.
Because I'm in there and I'm like, why are you picking up champagne? and everything. I thought you were bringing it around fun day. that was good.
Nice. What's here? What's here?
Oh my god, this is I love you.
Yeah.
I didn't even take that in. Wow, Polly.
Yeah, Sasha.
Oh,
Wow.
okay.
It's true, man.
So talk to Nisha now a long time. You know she's supposed to get that and
Alright.
This is my thing.
We already talked about all of that there already.
My thing is when, where, how.
So now that me I tell you say you have to go watch back in vlog. Watch back in video them what me have.
Guys.
But no, for real, I you know. Turn the camera up for me to tell you the truth.
Just to make me cry,
Yo,
you know, because you already know me
them thing
emotional.
a real thing, you see me? Because she just a whole out from them time friends what she have and she not pressure anything. So my time run in the joke them now me all the funny and say, oh, yeah move sir. But then trust me. May I have to go get it for you and me just take my time and be with you and then get, you know? Big up yourself, man.
I love you, thank you.
You're a Polly, I say. You're a Polly, I
Wait,
say.
son, Polly. What you tell your son, Polly?
yes, me
Are
tell
you
him-
raising Polly?
Me say me make sure tell him say anytime things they go I make sure by Nisha make Nisha get a bigger ring. For her feeling.
Yo, guys, like,
Something bling up more, you see.
what you
You
mean?
know say thing up.
This is so, look at this. All says I love you. That, but you got me good because you're very slick.
I am.
That's a good and a bad thing. Oh my god. Come take a picture beside me.
Come on, my professor.
Oh my god.
Come in, come give us champagne. Come in.
Yeah.
Come in.
Wait, no. I'm talking.
Uncle Ziggy. Really, Sarah. Hey, Mama. Say hi.
Zoom back out.
Zoom back. Oh, God. Dante. So, Mama, where they watch you all, Mama? Mama. Nana, you they watch you all? Oh, my God. Nana, just go so. Please, your daddy.
Drink. Want some to drink?
You can't go bear some. Come on. Daddy. You can't come buy one soda?
Yeah. So guys, we're at a fun day right now that's happening in the community. Look at this one. We got popcorn and stuff over there. Holly's here. I think Ziggy's over there playing ball. What's your name?
Andre.
Big up yourself, Andre. Why you acting shy now?
Come on, stop watching.
So now you're gonna see yourself live on YouTube. Sure, big up my friend, sure. So we just finished the fun day. Come like they lock it down. What do you say? The music's not working or something? Keep chipping out. Yes, we're just walking home right now. And oh yeah, so I was gonna show back Kelly. Watch your
One out.
yeah.
What about the chicken?